All right, so we're going to do a quick site measuring drawing of this origami. So remember, with site measuring, the big deal is to find the basic angles. So this is the basic angle for the body right here. You want to find that basic shape so that it everything lines up. You don't have to match it exactly on your page, but you can see how that triangle is the basic angles of the whole picture. So what we want to do is, one, we want to make sure that we're drawing nice and light, and so we're going to switch this so it's a nice light pencil stroke. This drawing is going to look a little bit different than the time lapse because the first one did not record. So we do the shape. Looks like we need to be a little bit darker than that. There we go. And actually, so your line should be about this dark on your paper so that they could be erased, maybe even lighter. So I want to do it dark enough so that you can see them, but that would be way too dark to draw because it's going to be hard to erase. So we do the basic line for the body. It comes across like this, comes up like so, and comes up like so, like that. All right, then I choose the neck shape, and if I looked at maybe this shape right here, if I do that one, then I can see it comes like the angle here to here, here to here makes me know that the angle comes just about like that, okay? So we'll do that again without all these extra lines. That basic line comes here. Now the neck comes up a little bit shorter, so it comes a little bit straighter up, like so. I really think that this line might actually be a little farther over, so we're going to do that just for kicks. And then the line comes down here for the leg, cuts off, comes back here for the other part of the leg, cuts down, and as it gets there, it cuts back over. Now because they're folds of paper, each fold can create a really simple shape, which is really helpful for our drawing. The neck comes up like this, up like that, and then this shape here comes like this. All right, comes flat over and finishes that triangle. From this corner to that corner is another triangle, and on top of that is the dinosaur's head. You'll notice that I'm kind of scribbling these lines in. They're not super perfect. We're going to make them perfect later, and if you are drawing super lightly, then these lines that are scribbly are not a problem. So those are the basic shapes of our dinosaur. For you, you're going to have it on a piece of paper on the table, so you want to draw the paper as well, so that you can, when you start out, you can draw the shadow on your paper. I don't have that shadow because obviously mine is on a wall instead of the table, so you can see it really well. All right, so please go ahead and try, and please ask for any questions, but make sure that you really focus on these basic shapes, and you can make sure that your shapes and the shapes of the of your origami are the same, so that this shape right here really looks like this shape back here. If those shapes don't look the same, your drawing will not be correct. So find those shapes, repeat those shapes, and your drawing will look like the drawing, or look like your origami. All right? So, good luck.